Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover pointer. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of pointer. Pointers are variables that can store address. Pointer can be used to point to variable of that particular type. Example, pointer of type int can store address of integer variables. I have defined variable of type char, int, float and double. Define the pointer for these variables to store address. We can display address of these variables using ampersand variable name or using pointer variable with %p operator. We can display value of variable using variable name or using asterisk pointer. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer calculation notation. I have defined integer array. Assigned address of first element in array to integer pointer p. And displaying address and value using p and asterisk p. We can increment address after value is read without changing value, using asterisk p++ or asterisk, within brackets p++. We can increment value after it's read without changing address, using asterisk p within bracket, ++. We can increment address before value is read, without changing value, using asterisk ++p or asterisk, within brackets ++p. We can increment value before it's read, without changing address, using ++* p or ++, within brackets asterisk p. Same logic applies for decrement as well. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer to store string. I have defined character pointer array to store array of strings. And I am going to display value and address of strings stored in array using p of index and ampersand p of index. Or asterisk p plus index and p plus index. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer to read value. I have defined pointer to character array or string. And reading the string using scanf and displaying using printf function. I have defined pointer to integer. And reading the integer using scanf and displaying using printf function. In the next program, I am going to cover null pointer. If we assign the value as null to pointer, then it's called null pointer, which is equivalent to 0. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer to constant value. If we define pointer using const keyword, we will not be allowed to change the value of variable using pointer. But we can change the address. If I remove the const keyword, I can change the value using pointer. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer to constant address. If we define pointer using asterisk const keyword, we will not be allowed to change the address of pointer. But we can change the value of variable using pointer. If I remove the const keyword, I can change the address of pointer. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer to multidimensional array. I have created multidimensional array of type char, created char pointer and assigned to char array. And I am displaying the value in multidimensional array using for loop. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.